Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss the topic that is body odor. Myself, Priyanka Rathore from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy, Bhopal. So today we will begin with the topic body odor uh, as the topic seems very common and very common problem experienced by every person, and but there are little causes and certain but there are little causes and sometimes and some chemistry behind this and some chemical phenomena behind the occurrence of the body odor. So let's begin with this topic. Body odor is the perceived unpleasant smell our bodies can give off when bacteria that live on the skin break down sweat into acid. As we know, in a human body there are certain essential bacteria which are present in the human body, and they are essential for normal functioning of the body, for normal metabolism of the body, and they also protect the skin or body from other pathogenic bacteria also. Pathogenic bacteria means the bacteria which causes the diseases. This body odor problem is also known as gomihidrosis, osmidrosis, and ojocordia. People who sweat too much, they are called hyperhidrosis. They are very susceptible to the body odor problem. Then skin flora refers to the microbes which reside on the skin. So microbes, that essential bacteria, basically they reside on the skin flora, and mainly of them are bacteria. For example, Enterobacter, Klebsiella, E. coli, Proteus species. These are the common ones, predominantly present in the human body. They protect the skin from pathogenic bacteria also. So causes behind the body odor. Mainly, the body odor is caused by bacteria which break down the sweat and is largely linked to the apocrine gland. So, what is apocrine gland? As we know, the sweat gland is divided into two parts. First one is two types. First one is eccrine gland, which is spread all over the surface of the body, and apocrine gland, which are present especially in the mammary glands and in the pubic parts of the body. So most body odor comes from this apocrine gland portion also only. And tight shoes and socks wearing, tight clothing, they also causes the body odor problem, as for the sweat to evaporate, that is difficult from such tightening wearing tight wearing, and they give the bacteria more sweat to break down into the smelly substance, एज द स्वेट वहां से इवेपोरेट नहीं हो पाता है, तो उन बैक्टीरियाज को बहुत ज्यादा स्वेट की अमाउंट मिल जाती है, जिसको वो ब्रेक डाउन करके एसिड में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, और वो फाउली स्मेल कॉज करता है. So there are certain treatment used in body odor to relieve from body odor problem. First one is antiperspirants, and second is deodorant. As we have discussed in the earlier classes also, what is antiperspirants and deodorants? Deodorants are the deodorizing substances. They relieve from the body odor and having some good pleasant smelling substances. While antiperspirants, they carry the chemical substance which inhibit the growth of such bacteria or reduces the growth of such bacteria. They reduces the conversion of bacteria into the acid. And एंटीपर्सपेंट्स के जो एग्जांपल्स हैं, बेसिकली क्लोरल हाइड्रेट, ये ज़्यादा यूज होता है, जिंक क्लोरल हाइड्रेट ये यूज होते हैं. And wash daily with lukewarm water is also good practice to relieve yourself from the body odor. Then use natural fibers like wool, cotton, or silk. They also helpful in relieving from the body odor. And avoid the spicy foods. And botulinum toxin, which block the signal from brain to sweat gland. सिग्नल जो ब्रेन से निकलता है स्वेट ग्लैंड तक पहुंचता है, और स्वेट को आपको सिक्रीट करके एवापोरेट होना, ऐसा सिग्नल प्रोवाइड करता है. जब बोटुलिनियम टॉक्सिन अगर बॉडी के अंदर हो जाता है, बोटुलिनियम इज बैक्टीरियल स्पीसीज, तो उस कंडीशन में भी हमारे ये फाउली बॉडी ओडर प्रॉब्लम अराइजेस होती है. Then use aluminum chloride. This is also the type of the antiperspirant. And in critical conditions, the surgical procedure, that is the endoscopic thoracic sympathotomy, is carried out, this is the which destroy the sweating controlling nerves below the skin of the armpits. तो जो स्वेट कंट्रोलिंग नर्व्स हैं आर्मपिट्स की, उसको ही सर्जिकली उसको ट्रीट किया जाता है. So these are the certain treatment which are carried out for relieving from body odor problem. So this is a very small topic. I hope आप लोग को समझ में आया होगा. And in next topic we will discuss another. In next lecture we will discuss some another topic. So thank you so much.